Are you often feeling bloated, low on energy, or weighed down, especially if you've been eating lots of processed foods, fast food, or refined snacks lately? Have you noticed more frequent constipation, excess gas, or that uncomfortable bloating that just doesn't seem to go away? If so, you're definitely not alone. And today, I want to share with you a powerful natural remedy for gut detox that can help you flush out up to about 4.5 pounds of toxic waste from your body in just 5 nights, using simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. Our digestive system works like the engine of our body. When it gets overloaded with undigested food, preservatives, and toxins, everything starts to slow down. This drains your energy, affects your mood, and can even weaken your immune system. Research shows that many people carry several pounds of accumulated waste in their colon, without even realizing it, which can lead to constant discomfort, irregular bowel movements, and even more serious health issues over time. But here's the good news: you can help your body reset itself quickly and naturally. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. You'll only need 4 ingredients: warm water, fresh lemon juice, olive oil, and chia seeds. Start by soaking 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a glass of warm water for about 10 to 15 minutes, until they develop a gel-like texture. Chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, creating a highly beneficial soluble fiber. Next, add the juice of half a lemon and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Stir it well. Drink this mixture every night before going to bed, for 5 consecutive nights. Each ingredient plays an essential role in this gut cleanse. The warm water helps stimulate your digestive tract. The lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, promotes natural detoxification. The olive oil acts as a lubricant, making elimination easier. And the chia seeds, loaded with fiber, expand in your gut and work like a natural broom, helping sweep away accumulated waste and toxins. Many people notice changes as soon as the first night, such as more regular and bulkier bowel movements, or a reduction in that heavy, bloated feeling. By the 2nd or 3rd night, it's common to experience less gas and a lighter, more comfortable digestion. And by the end of the 5 nights, most people feel lighter, more energized, and much more comfortable in their own body. So, if you're struggling with constipation, irregularity, or digestive discomfort, this simple home remedy might be exactly what you need. For the best results, make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day, eat lighter meals, and minimize processed foods and sugary snacks while doing this cleanse. And don't be surprised if you notice changes in your appearance or the frequency of your bowel movements. That's your body getting rid of waste and toxins that may have been sitting there for a long time. Give this 5-night gut cleanse a try and see how it can transform your digestion and your overall well-being. You might just be amazed at the difference it makes. But if your digestive issues persist and don't go away, I strongly recommend that you consult with a doctor. I hope you enjoyed this content. Please share it with your friends and family, leave your comments below, and most importantly, make it a great day.